Hi, my name is John Holt. I'm with Johnson RV of Fife, and today we are looking at a 2024 Solis 59P. And the stock number on there, 21655. It's on our website. Obviously, this one's the red one. It's on the Ram chassis. It's 19.5 feet long, so it's a little shorter than the longer chassis. Obviously, pop top. This will sleep 4. Seats 4. Got the jump seats behind the driver there. There's the fridge, easily accessible right in the front, so if you need to come out here and grab a soda or something, it's right there. It has a little outside shower down here, and a power point, and a heat vent. We got the table here, and the chairs swivel, so family of 4 can sit here. It's really made for the family. It's on the new Ram chassis. Really good digital chassis, push button start. You got 2-burner stove. You got some counter space. It does have an extra little pull-out cutting board right there. Lots of storage. Got cupboards down here, up on the top. Little pockets down here to put stuff in. Lots of room for gear because the bed sits down on top here, so there's a place to put gear underneath. A lot of storage. The back doors open up, and you can hang a privacy curtain back there also. We have bathroom and shower. It has a 5-gallon cassette toilet. A little table that we can pull down here. These come with solar panels also, and it also has the EcoHot system, which preheats your hot water in the lines, and you can also see where your fresh tank's at and see how much water you have in your fresh tank. So if you would like to come and see this at Johnson RV of Fife. My name is John Holt. Just come down and ask for me. I'd love to show it to you. Have a great day.